Tired of typing payment terms into every invoice? Learn how to create reusable payment terms in Zoho Books in under 2 minutes. We'll open Settings, find Payment Terms, create a new one, and save it. Let's dive in. Open Zoho Books. Then, click on the Setting icon. Now click on Payment Terms. Go ahead and click on New Payment Term. Type the term name in the field. Then type the number of days. Finally, click on Save to finish. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.